declaring an emergency due to a bird strike.
At Volacom, we believe that these bird accidents are preventable, especially the ones occurring on the runways and within 300 feet off the ground. The bird collision avoidance system relies on thermal imaging detection and the initiation of reflex reactions in the birds, avoiding habituation. The system positioning is also based on the risk assessment of the bird strike probabilities. The system is comprised of multiple interconnected system units configured to deflect any bird species that are approaching the airport runways. Each unit of the system has a thermal imaging sensor that is designed to scan and identify approaching birds within a safe distance from the runway 24 hours a day. Once detected, the birds are analyzed by the proprietary control software. Each bird encounter is measured and recorded. Every detection independently triggers a system unit to release the signal emission, which causes the birds to deflect without becoming accustomed to the repeated deterrence. The special signals are designed to warn the bird's brain by passing through the auditory pathway from the ear up to the nucleus of the lateral lemniscus, from where they then activate a motor center in the reticular formation. This leads to an immediate reaction without affecting the bird's health in any way. The birds do not habituate. Furthermore, they become less tolerant to the signals with every consecutive system encounter. In addition to the system units that protect the runway directly, there are units that clear the ascending and descending paths of the airplanes as they approach or leave the airport within 300 feet of elevation. These units are designed to emit signals as the airplanes accelerate on the runway or when they are descending towards the runway and are detected by the system 5,000 feet away. These units collect their own information about plane activity and do not require information from the control tower. All of the system units continuously send information to our monitoring center. Once there, biologists and engineers monitor the performance of the system around the clock. Activity reports and system updates will be provided to the airport management upon request. The bird collision avoidance system will significantly reduce bird strikes, bringing airport safety to the next level.